Looks like Auntie Michelle is here. Oh, and Mark's here. Oh, and Sienna went outside to go meet. I think Sienna's excited about meeting the baby. Let's go see. Let's see. Baby?
Okay, no cameras.
Sorry.
Okay, no cameras.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good,
Hi.
good, good. She had, what, a 5-minute nap, and I
Hi,
even got lost.
sweetheart.
I'm like, I'm on 96, I'm like, oh, I'm at Farmington Road.
We're so happy to meet you.
Missed it by a couple miles. Yeah.
Hi,
Yeah.
sweetheart. Look,
I
it's
was
a baby.
Mom,
Yeah. Come on, let's get her out.
take it out.
Yeah, let's get her out.
Take it out.
You get to see baby Lindsay. Look, and she matches mommy with the pink. Aww. Hi, baby. Hi, sweetheart. Too late.
Oh, I don't want to see that image.
It's beautiful.
Blue baby.
Absolutely
We
beautiful.
were setting up the monitor last night, and somehow it was facing me. And I'm like, oh, I look like my mother.
Beautiful. Do you need any help with carrying anything?
Yeah, I think I might have an extra bag.
In the front?
Sienna. Hi, Sienna.
Okay, look at all the stuff she's got. You want me to bring all this in?
Yes, please. What's going on with Grandma? There was a big hole somewhere.
No,
Always wears holes, huh? See, Grandma always wears them.
take it out.
Get me out of this thing. She did a quick, poor thing, she had a quick bath. When I turned the water off, what's going on?
Hi, Michelle.
I did.
Is she walking yet?
Oh, no. This is my favorite shirt.
And it's kind of, and it's 40, like with the 4th of July thing going on.
Didn't you buy me this? You bought it for me.
Watch out, baby. Watch out.
Oh, she's
No,
not
don't
walking
put
yet,
that,
eh?
No, don't put it on.
She's just crawling. I'm crawling. She's rolling.
Yeah, no, we're going to take seatbelt off. There
Hi
you
there, pumpkin
go.
puss.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, sweetie.
So, my outside. So, my outside. Papa.
No, come on, we're going to go to the car.
See that?
Yeah, you dancing?
Hi, Mason.
That's your cousin.
It's your cousin, Lindsay.
Do you need help playing trouble? Lindsay's pretty good.
Look, that's my and that's mine. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna show Mom something downstairs.
All right, let's go see what he has to show me. What do you have to show me? Wow.
It's a thing so you can run if you can't go outside.
Wow, that's awesome, Mason.
Exercise on this.
Probably need your sneakers on better than sandals, huh?
Thing Well, at least you can still exercise. Now you're not touching the ceiling.
Because I'm bending down. Whoa.
So that's how you can exercise.
Yeah.
Now you gotta think to exercise the run for Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah. This was Uncle Mike's room when he was a kid.
Yeah.
Now it's like a storage room.
Yeah.
And Daddy's room when he was a kid.
And then he got his office, and now not his office anymore.
Well, thanks for showing me.
You're welcome.
Are you having fun?
Mhm.
Alright, so now we're going upstairs. We'll see the rest of the family that all showed up. Cousin PJ over here. Everybody just hanging out. Auntie Teresa, Grandpa, Michelle, Mark, Mitch, Haley, Grandma. Everybody's over here hanging out.
Did your dad give you anything yet?
Look at the food.
What? Did your dad give you anything yet?
So excited to eat.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm so hungry.
Next, you want to help your son?
GS11, you're making 70. They did that to me one time where they got me in the middle of a paragraph, right? And I was like, I looked at the gold plan. That, and I'm sitting there and I'm like, hang on a second, that just doesn't. This says it's not.
Okay, let's see what the kids are doing outside. Thank you. Alright, let's see what Uncle Mike's doing with the kids today. Wow.
We're just gonna, you're gonna sit there and I'm gonna go over there, and I'm gonna throw these up in the air. And they're gonna go boom, and we're gonna find out the reaction of the fireworks.
The kids want to light the fireworks so bad, but they can't. So they're on their way back over. Okay, come on. Come over, sit here next to Mommy.
Well, those are loud.
Again! Sit down.
He's like, again. Those are loud.
Hold on.
And those are loud, right?
Ooh.
I was like, ooh, it's a top. I was like, oh.
Get back in the bag.
I don't think you have any more luck with that.
Okay, here we go.
I wonder what happens to one that bangs.
Here it goes. Whoa, whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Watch. Whoa.
It's like bing, 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 bing. Like bing, 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 bing. Oh, the dragonfly's finally.
Watch out.
Boom, boom, boom. So cool.
So this is what you hear at night sometimes when you go to bed. You can smell them, huh?
One? Just one?
Guess just one.
Where's the other ones? I wonder where the other ones went.
Okay.
Uncle Mike, there's two that didn't land and go pop. There's two that didn't go pop.
Nope, stay over here. Come on. Over here. Okay, come on. Okay, here he goes. Last one.
I think we're gonna do the rest of it.
That was a great fireworks show. Thanks, Uncle Mike.
Yeah. Sure. That was a wonderful show.
Kids loved it.